I made over $2,500 in just 30 days selling simple PDF ebooks on Threads. No ads, no website, just 3 followers. And in this video, I'm giving you the exact step-by-step blueprint I used. Follow it, and 10K months are locked in. But miss one detail, and it won't work. Let's begin. The first and most important step, picking your niche. And let me be real with you, 97% of people mess this up. That's why they spend hours writing ebooks, only to end up with 0 sales. Not because their content is bad, not because Threads is too competitive, but because they chose a niche that no one's paying for. So how do you pick a niche that makes real money on Threads? It's not about passion, it's about problems. Here's the simple formula. If someone has a problem painful enough, they'll pay to make it stop. If they have a strong desire, they'll pay to get there faster. Your job is to find one problem, one promise, and one solution. That's your winning niche. Now, if you're wondering what's working right now, here are 5 high-demand niches you can steal. But don't stay general. Niche down. For example, I picked make money online, too general. Then I narrowed to digital marketing, better. Now I'm choosing affiliate marketing, the perfect fit, because I can show real results and offer the exact blueprint I used. Before you start creating your ebook, make sure there's actual demand. Go on Threads and search your niche. You're not looking for a viral post, just proof people care. Even 10-30 likes or a few replies can be enough. If no one's talking about it at all, pick a different niche. In my case, the demand was clear. So now let's set up your Threads account properly. This is your sales machine. Do it wrong and no one will see you. Here's the right way. First, sign up through Instagram, but don't use your personal account. Create a fresh one just for your niche. For your profile name, use this formula. Your real name or a pen name plus your niche, like Olivia James, digital marketer. This builds trust and makes you discoverable. Now, set your profile picture. Avoid logos or abstract images. They look impersonal. Use a high-quality photo of yourself. If you prefer not to use your own image, generate a realistic one using tools like Google Gemini or any AI tool. The more personal your account looks, the more trust you build, and the more likely people are to buy from you. Now your bio. This is where most people mess up. Your bio needs to work hard for you. It must do 3 things. Prove you've got results, promise a clear transformation, and include a strong call to action. This is what makes people stop, trust you, and click. Keep it simple and direct. We'll add the ebook link once it's ready. Now let's get into creating the ebook that sells. Alright, here's the easy part. We're using ChatGPT to build your ebook. I've added all the prompts you need in the description. Just copy, paste, and follow each step. These prompts are made to create ebooks people actually want and are willing to buy. Here's how to use them. Start with the first prompt. Just copy and paste it into ChatGPT. It'll ask you a few questions about who you are, your results, and what ebook you want to create. Answer honestly and simply. That way, ChatGPT understands your niche, your goal, and how to structure the ebook to actually get people results and make sales. Next, use the second prompt. ChatGPT will give you 10 ebook title ideas. Pick the one that makes you go, I'd click that. If it grabs your attention, it'll do the same for others. Now for the third prompt, paste in your selected title and use the chapter outline prompt. It'll break your ebook down into clear steps or chapters. Pro tip, if a chapter feels weak, just tweak them a bit or tell ChatGPT to add more detail or switch things up. It'll adjust. Now use the fourth prompt to generate chapter 1. Alright, so once that chapter wraps up, you'll do the same thing for chapter 2. Just copy the prompt you used, then change where it says chapter 1 to chapter 2. You'll just keep doing that for all the chapters until the whole ebook is done. It really doesn't take long, maybe 3 minutes or so per chapter. Alright, now that all your chapters are done, use prompt 5 to create an introduction that starts with a pain point your reader can relate to, shows them the transformation they can expect, and establishes your authority on the topic. Your content is all there. Perfect. Now before we jump into Canva to design this into a professional ebook, there's one crucial step, the human touch. AI gave us the bones, but we need to add the heart. Take 30 minutes to read through and make 3 key tweaks. First, read it out loud. When you hit a sentence that sounds like a robot wrote it, rewrite it in your own words. Then add something only you can. A personal story, a mistake you made, even a screenshot of your real results. That's what makes people think this person gets me. Finally, ask yourself one question. If I stumbled on this ebook, would I actually buy it? If the answer's not hell yes, tweak it until it is. Trust me, these 30 minutes are what separate just another ebook from something people remember and recommend. Now, let's design your ebook on Canva. It's easier than you think. Here's exactly what to do. First, go to canva.com and sign up for a free account. The free version has everything you need. I've designed dozens of ebooks without ever upgrading. Once you're in, search for ebook multiple pages templates and pick one you like. Don't worry about finding the perfect one. We can customize everything. Now, let's customize it. Start with the cover. Click on the design, and if you don't like the current design, search for a new one in the Design tab. When you find one you like, just click to add it. Then drop in your title and subtitle. Use exactly what ChatGPT gave you. Next, your table of contents. Copy it from ChatGPT and paste it right into Canva on the right page. Once that looks good, move to your introduction page. Take that powerful intro you created earlier and paste it in. This is your first impression, so make it count. Then comes the main content. Add each chapter exactly the same way. One at a time, paste them in order. After each chapter, drop in something visual, a screenshot of your results, a personal photo, anything that makes it feel human. If you're teaching something, show proof it works. Just to be clear, in this demo, I only designed a few sample pages to show you the exact process. I didn't create the full ebook from start to finish. Once you've finished designing your complete ebook, here's your final step. Click Download, select PDF Standard format, and it'll save directly to your device. Now that you've got your professionally designed ebook ready, let's get it uploaded to Gumroad and grab your sales link. Here's exactly what you need to do right now. Go to gumroad.com and sign up. It's completely free to start. This platform handles everything for selling your ebook, and you only pay when you make money, just 10% per sale. So if you don't sell, you don't pay a thing. Once you're signed in, click on Settings, and then Profile. This is where you make your first impression, so use your real name. Pick a simple username. Write a quick bio that explains who you help. And for your profile photo, use the same image you're using on Threads. This helps people instantly recognize you across platforms. Now let's get your ebook ready to sell. Click Products, then New Product. Start by giving it the exact title ChatGPT created for you, that one we picked earlier. Select ebook as the product type. For pricing, I recommend starting at $10. It's that sweet spot where people buy without overthinking. Once you've got around 50 happy customers, you can always increase it later. Now the important part, take that description prompt I gave you, paste it into ChatGPT, and let it write you a killer product description, the kind that makes people click buy without thinking. Now create a simple URL using your ebook title. Now for your cover, go back to Canva and pick a landscape layout. Pick a design that looks professional but still stands out. Add your title, make any tweaks you need, then download it as a JPG. Once it's ready, upload it to Gumroad. I know you've put in the work, and now we're at the final step. This is where it all comes together. Go to Content and upload your finished ebook PDF. Once that's uploaded, add a little thank you or congrats message, something personal for the people who just bought your ebook. When that's all done, hit publish and boom, your ebook is live and ready for the world. Okay, now here's what you're going to do. First, copy your ebook link. Seriously, don't skip this. This link is how people find your book. Then head over to Threads, tap Edit on your profile, and paste it into the link section. That way, anyone who checks out your profile can click straight through to your ebook. Easy. This is the final piece of the puzzle. If you made it this far, I want you to drop a comment saying done, so I know you followed through. Now, here's how you actually get traffic to your ebook. First, start by following 10 people in your niche. For me, that's digital marketers. For you, maybe it's fitness, parenting, self-help, whatever lane your ebook is in. Next, don't scroll aimlessly, but watch what's working. What kind of posts are getting likes, replies, and shares? Pay attention to their hooks, how they tell stories, what pain points they hit. These people already cracked the code. Steal like a student. When you find 2 or 3 viral threads in your niche, copy them and drop them into ChatGPT with the prompt I gave you. Just make sure to update it with your own niche. For me, it's affiliate marketing. That's it. You'll get 10 original high-performing thread posts written in your voice, ready to go. Alright, here's your daily job. Once ChatGPT gives you the thread posts, read through them first. Make sure they sound like you. If something feels off, tweak it. Adjust the tone, the phrasing, whatever it takes to make it feel natural. Now post those threads. Minimum 8 to 10 valuable ones every single day. Each one needs to actually help your audience. That means quick tips, smart strategies, relatable pain points, mindset flips, anything that makes people stop scrolling and think, yo, this is actually useful. If they trust your content, they'll start trusting your product. That's how it works. And in between those 8 to 10 value posts, drop in 2 soft promo threads for your ebook. Nothing pushy, just real. You can say something like, if this helped, I go way deeper in my ebook. No hype, no hard sell. Just connect the dots between the value and your product. Now here's the key. Don't post the same threads every day. Always mix it up. New angles, different hooks, fresh value. Repeat this process daily. Show up even when it's quiet, even when no one's liking or clicking. Because if your content's solid and your niche solves a real pain point, you will get sales. Stay in the game. Be that person who didn't give up. 2 months from now, you'll be DMing me. You were right.